No, we are not stopping at KFC or Popeyes or any chicken place. Tonight we are frying some chicken at home. Are you ready, you two friends? All right, let's start. Okay, so I already have my 4 drumsticks and I just added 2 cups of flour. Now I am adding all my seasonings to the flour. You can add any seasoning such as salt, pepper, adobo, or cayenne pepper, whatever you would like in your flour. So go ahead and start mixing it all together. Next, you want to start adding your seasoning to your chicken. Okay, now start adding the chicken to the flour. So if you want your chicken to be extra crispy, add an egg or 2 and then stir the eggs. Add your chicken to the eggs you just stirred up and then add the chicken back into the flour as a second coating. Now it's time to start frying our chicken at 350 degrees for about 20-25 minutes, flipping it on each side and watching it until it is brown and crispy.